In front of me is OPPO A6x, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Now select System and Update, Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and finally Gboard. After accessing Gboard settings, click on Corrections and Suggestions. This way you can tap on this switcher next to autocorrection to turn it off or switch it on. Quick tip: if you decided you do want to use autocorrection, tap on it on the left, and this way you get access to this option called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace. Manage it thanks to this switcher. Personally, I recommend for you to at least try it because it's making using autocorrection even better. And if you won't like it, you already know where to switch it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!